Welcome to JH. Today we're taking a look at Celeste.Boston.com, an online boutique that claims to sell handmade women's clothing, from elegant coats to linen shirts and leather bags. Everything looks perfectly timeless and sophisticated, which is usually code for we spend a lot of time on the aesthetic and zero time on being a real company. They even boast big seasonal sales to lure you in. But before you grab your credit card, we need to see if this site is actually legit or just a very pretty digital ghost town. First off, we dug into their shipping policy, which claims to have been last updated in May 2025. That's fascinating because the domain wasn't even registered until September 2025. Apparently, these guys have mastered the art of time travel, updating their policies months before the website even existed. While being a new domain isn't a crime, having a chronological meltdown right on your homepage is a massive red flag. It's hard to have a track record when your timeline is a work of fiction. Next, we looked at those elegant product images. They look great until you run a reverse image search and realize they've been shamelessly lifted from other sources. If a brand can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own inventory, you have to wonder if the inventory even exists outside of a Photoshop file. Then there's the touching story of the founder, Clara, and her daughter Celeste. It's a sweet sentiment, except for the fact that the photo is clearly AI-generated. It's much easier to run a family business when your family is made of pixels and algorithms. When it comes to customer service, don't expect a warm human touch. They only offer email support, no phone number, no live chat, and likely no intention of answering you anytime soon. If your order goes missing, you'll be shouting into a digital void and hoping for a miracle. Their website testimonials are also suspiciously perfect, reading more like a marketing intern's fever dream than actual feedback. With zero mentions on Trustpilot or Reddit, this brand is about as verified as a $3 bill. In short, Celeste.Boston.com is about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine. Between the time-traveling policies, stolen photos, and an AI-generated founder, there's almost nothing here that feels authentic. It's a textbook example of a site that's all style and zero substance. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep your money where it belongs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reality checks. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.